So you scratched your Insta360's lens. Do not worry, you've come to the right place. There's this kit, you can get it on Amazon. I've dropped the link down in the description. In the kit, you're gonna get cleaning wipes, a lens cloth, the actual lens itself, a little lens brush, the removal tool, and then this guy that locks on and spins it off, and a little duster. Okay, so we're just gonna open up the lens cloth, place it down, put your good side of the lens on it, and we're gonna be looking for a little white dot right over there. We're gonna line that white dot up with the orange dot right over here. So now that's off. Make sure the white line right over there lines up with that one. Okay, now for the last little bit, we got to go into settings, stitching calibration, start calibration, click next, calibrate, and face it up.